Hey everyone, welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen again this week for the recipe of the week. And we have, I don't even know what it is.
It's moose.
Moose.
Yes.
How'd you luck upon that?
Well, we have friends.
We have friends.
Amazingly enough, yes. We have friends that gave us a piece of moose round, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to show off sous vide.
Sous vide.
Yes, sous vide.
That's the spatial that I'm getting
yes,
here?
Yes, that's the spatial you're getting.
Yes.
So this is a sous vide machine here. This is a Joule. This is an app-based one, and there's other ones that have physical buttons, which I kind of, for me, I would probably have gone with that route. But the cool thing about this one is that it has an app that will tell you the temperatures, so it'll, oh, that's the way I want my steak to look. Mm-hmm. And just push it, and it automatically goes for the time and temp for that one.
But if you're out in the great outdoors and you don't have Wi-Fi, then you need the other one.
Yeah, because this needs Wi-Fi and needs Bluetooth.
Okay.
So all those things. So, make your decision on what's good for you. So the basic premise is that this thing will bring it up to temperature, and we ran this up to 129 degrees, which we're shooting for like a rare, medium rare. Of course, with your wild game, you want to kind of keep it in the rare, that kind of temperatures, because if you cook it more well done, it's going to be dry. It's going to be even sous vide can't help you on that one.
So you boiled the water and got it to temperature.
Yeah. So I help this out. Yes, this machine will bring it up to temperature.
Okay.
But I add a little bit of boiling water to kind of help it up and get it there faster. Because it could take 2 hours for this volume of water. So the basic premise is that you're going to season your meat. I put salt, pepper, garlic powder, rosemary on here, and then vacuum sealed it, and then it cooks in this water.
Instead of just throwing the meat in there?
Different technique, different show.
Oh boy.
Yeah, so then it's just going to cook, and it can cook, this was 5 hours, but the basic premise is if it's at a low temperature like that, it won't overcook. So, eventually, yes, it can overcook, but you can go 24 hours with this. So if you had to go to work, hey.
On the off chance?
In the off chance, yes. And, just don't worry about it, okay?
Okay.
So today we're going to be doing the sous vide mousse, and then we have polenta with asparagus and a red wine horseradish cream sauce. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to sear this. Obviously you see that I have put on some paper towels to kind of soak up some of the, because when you take it out it's going to be a little bit wet. So just kind of dry it off, pat it dry, and there you go.
Got the pan ready to go.
Pan ready, ripping hot, because we're just going to sear this. This thing is cooked. It's ready to go. It's cooked.
And so it's cooked all the way through?
Yes, it's cooked all the way through. Well, not all the way through, but cooked to the temperature that you wanted.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Got some asparagus in the back. Let that get seared.
Oh, and you already blanched the asparagus, right?
Yeah.
And you do that just because asparagus is hard to get exactly right if you're just like throwing it in the pan. It takes a little bit longer. And
yeah, because if you throw it in here, you're gonna have it's like kind of raw in the center, and you're gonna be fighting it. So we're gonna season up our asparagus a little bit here.
Okay. We got some garlic going.
Yep.
Okay.
That.
Butter.
A little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic.
Perfect. So you just hold it up on each side.
Yeah, because this one had kind of like a 3 sides going on thing.
I can help you out if you wanted. You've got this.
I've done this a couple of times.
Yeah, one-man show.
So yeah, we got our crust now, and we're good to go.
You're already ready to plate?
Yes.
Wow.
Already ready to plate. I passed me my...
Well, you have to cut
And if you don't know about polenta, I did about 3.5 cups of water to 1 part of polenta. And just let it cook for about 20 minutes.
Okay. Looks tasty to me.
I'll give you all of it. I'm supposed to eat your veggies today, okay?
Yes, I will.
Okay, so we're just going to slice.
So that's like the same color throughout the whole thing.
Yeah, and I'll show you here in a second here.
Okay.
So I'm not quite left-handed. So as you can see, edge to edge, and for wild game, that is just stunningly gorgeous.
Unbelievable.
Right?
Looks so tasty. And I have not eaten moose.
You have not?
Nope.
Well, everybody's eating moose. It's common, you know?
Yeah.
Sure.
So what's this sauce?
So this is a Red-Wine Horseradish Cream Sauce. Try not to cover up our beautiful mousse. Maybe just a little bit on top.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, come on.
There you go, guys. Easy stuff. You can see how beautiful that is and easy it is. I mean, I cooked it in the sous vide machine, seared it, boom, done. Dinner is ready.
Awesome.
And whenever you want it to, you know, it's like, oh, hey, we're kind of dragging, guests are trying to catch up. Easy. Sous vide
Just go ahead and cut it for when they show up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Well, while we dig in, we're going to go ahead and throw it back to the guys in the studio. Yay.